Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Hello Word. I'm your host, Alex. Today's word is bare, a C1 level adjective meaning empty or uncovered. So, when we say something is bare, we mean it lacks the usual covering or contents. For example, a bare wall has no pictures on it, or a bare cupboard has no food inside. Let's explore some synonyms. Words like empty, uncovered, and exposed can often be used instead of bare. We could say, the room was completely empty of furniture, or her head was uncovered so the rain hit her face, or the mountain peak was exposed to the elements. All these are good alternatives for when you mean something is without the usual content or covering. Now, let's look at the opposites. Antonyms for bare might be covered, full, or adorned. Instead of saying, the trees were bare of leaves, we could say, the trees were covered in leaves. Or instead of saying, the shelf was bare, we might say the shelf was full, or perhaps the stage was adorned with lights. These show how bare contrasts with having something. In everyday life, you might hear someone say a room is looking bare if it lacks decorations or furniture. You might describe a bare minimum of effort, meaning the least that can be done. A common phrase is the bare facts, meaning just the basic information without embellishment. Examples in sentences could include, the garden looked bare after the winter. I only have the bare essentials for camping. Or he was left with bare hands after the incident. Also, the floor was bare of any rugs, or the tree branch was bare and stark. To recap, bare is an adjective meaning empty or uncovered. Its synonyms include empty, uncovered, and exposed, while its antonyms are covered, full, and adorned. Remember, it's often used to describe a lack of something usual or expected. That's all for today, folks. Thank you for listening. If you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe to the podcast and leave a review. Your support helps others find the show. We love hearing from you, so create your own sentence about bare and share it in the comment section below the video. See you next time.